Board calls off its strike on RG Kar case. FEMA Doctors Association has announced that they will still protest and their strike will continue. FEMA has demanded a Central Protection Act for healthcare workers. Let's in fact listen into what the chairman of FEMA has said.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर रोहन कृष्णन, राष्ट्रीय चेयरमैन फाइमा डॉक्टर्स एसोसिएशन। हमें अभी खबरें मिल रही हैं कि कुछ रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स एसोसिएशन की बॉडी ने स्ट्राइक को कॉल ऑफ किया है। मैं आप सभी लोगों को निश्चिंत करना चाहता हूं कि फेडरेशन ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मेडिकल एसोसिएशन ने अभी इमरजेंसी मीटिंग करी थी, जिसमें 55 से 60 के करीब मेडिकल कॉलेजेस के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स पैन इंडिया, तेलंगाना, वेस्ट बंगाल, कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु और केरल, हर जगह से लोग आए थे और उन सबों ने यही सहमति दी है कि हम इस स्ट्राइक को कंटिन्यू रखेंगे। फाइमा का जो स्ट्राइक का कॉल है वो कल कंटिन्यू रहेगा। अभी तक स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई भी ठोस कार्रवाई नहीं की गई है। जो भी किया गया है, जो सीबीआई को केस देने का मामला आया था, यह मामला हाईकोर्ट के निर्णय की वजह से आया था। इसमें स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का कोई रोल नहीं था। इसके अलावा अभी भी टैंपरिंग ऑफ एविडेंस और जिस सेमिनार रूम में बच्ची की हत्या हुई थी, वहाँ पर दोबारा से पेंटिंग करने की और रेनोवेशन के नाम पे कई तरह के सवाल उठ रहे हैं। तो ये बहुत ही गंभीर मामला है जिसमें सरकार कुछ ना कुछ छुपाना चाहती है।
All right, so there you heard it. Meanwhile, Mehndi still with us on the telecast. Mehndi, again, the conversation that we were having, some associations have now concluded their strikes, yet some continue. So, of course, FEMA is one of them. They have demanded a Central Protection Act for healthcare workers. If you could take our viewers through the slew of demands that are being made.
Well, yes, on this horrific incident, various demands are being put up by the doctors of different associations. And right now, we heard the chairman of FIMA, the Federation of Indian Medical Association, who has specifically mentioned that the strike and the protest will not be called off by their association. And we also know that the FODA, the Residents Doctor Association, has called off their strike after meeting JP Nadda. But now FIMA will continue their strike because they're saying that only CBI inquiry will happen in this case as of their demands. One of the demands is only heard of, and the chairman has specifically mentioned that this demand is not considered by the state government or the central government, but it is the role of the High Court and the order of the High Court, due to which the CBI inquiry will start in this matter. And they're saying that some evidences are being tampered and serious allegations are being put by these doctors, by several associations. As we heard right now, the chairman of FIMA has also said that tampering of evidence are happening, and something is there in this case that is trying to be hidden in this all this matter. And they're saying that the strike will continue to be there and they will not call off the strike until unless the fair and square inquiry happens in this case. And specifically, once again, the Central Protection Act for the doctors, for the female doctors working in the hospitals, because while we were on the ground also talking to these doctors, they were saying that late at night there are mismanagements in the hospitals also. There are empty lobbies, no light structure is there in the hospitals also. So the doctors doesn't feel safe at night, and the late night shifts are very horrifying for them after this incident also. So they are demanding for high security in each and every hospital, and also the Central Protection Act for the doctors who are working late at night or early in the morning, because they want the justice to be prevailed for this Kolkata girl and the female doctor. And they will, as in the FIMA association, will not call up the strike until unless the justice being prevailed. Yes.
Right up.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.